Welcome back to this new video. Today's subject, a stunning vertical machining center that is also available for purchase right now. So hurry up, it could be yours. Let's get right into it. The MV3 Vertical Machining Center is the perfect machine for any machining shop that needs to save space. It comes with a table size of 2,000 per 500 millimeters. Axis travel are 1,800 millimeters for the X-axis and 500 millimeters for the Y and Z axis. It also comes with 20 tool holders, so you can use all your favorite tools at once. The high-pressure oil supply and chip conveyor comes with the machine at no extra cost. For now, I will let you watch the machine working without my voice so you can fully be immersed. But don't worry, I will come back soon. The video can really demonstrate how well it works. You can see it by yourself here on YouTube, or even if you come visit us in our warehouses. We always like to have visitors. We absolutely love the working tool changer in action. It is mechanically perfect, and even if this machine was manufactured in 2003, you can't even tell that it isn't new. Here is the data that I said before. You can check them here or over our website at www.laxmiusamachine.com. Our website is user-friendly, so you can navigate through all our machines available, and our team is always ready to reply at all your questions. So, what are you waiting for? Try the Laxmi service and become carefree by letting us managing your request. We love our job. Our contacts are, as always, in the description below and displayed here. We really hope that you found this video interesting, and if that's so, consider to subscribe. Remember to leave a like and a comment for some feedback. Thank you for watching. See you next time.